going to compare two different exponential functions. We have the graph already embedded here. We don't have the sculpture value. I will write that one out. But we have a museum. It purchased a painting and a sculpture in the same year. The changing values are modeled as shown. We don't have it shown yet, but I will show you it in a second. The average rate of change of a value of each artwork over 5 years. Which artwork's value is increasing more quickly? So we got to find the average rate of change. Well, remember the average rate of change is between 2 points for a function. So we have f of x is equal to 50 times 1.075 to the x power. All right, so this is for the sculpture. This one's for the painting. Find the average rate of change. SC. Let me put the sculpture in here first. All right, so, and this is value in thousands over x years. So I first have to find the points here. We're going to do the points for the sculpture first. So I'm going to do the very first, the very beginning, the price of my sculpture. 0.075 to the 0 power. Anything to the 0 power is going to be 1, so this is essentially 50 times 1, or $50,000. All right, now I'm going to look at year 5, because I'm looking at between the 2 points, the average rate of change. If I were to draw a line from one point to the other, that's going to be the average rate of change, is the rise over run between those 2 points. So this is going to be 50 times 1.075 to the to the 5th power. And this will roughly be 71,078, so 71.78 thousand. Average rate of change, AROC, is going to equal y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1. So in our case, we're going to be looking at y2, 71.78 minus x, or y1, 50, divided by 5 minus 0. And here I get my average rate of change is going to be 4.356. Okay, I'm going to change colors here. And we're going to look at the average rate of change between these 2 points. And again, like I said, it's kind of like drawing a line. That's not a good line, but drawing a line between one point and the other. So we already have our points here for the average rate of change. I'm going to do y2, 64.4 minus y1, which is 40, divided by 5 minus 0. And my average rate of change for this is going to be roughly 4.88. All right, so in this case, our sculpture, its value is increasing by $4,356. Remember, because this is 4,000 and then this would be $356, while the value of the painting is increasing at 4,480. So this is 4,880. I said 480, but it's 880. And this one is $4,356 per year averagely. So over the next 5-year period, the value of the painting increases at a greater average rate than the value of the sculpture. So they did a better job at the painting than they did the sculpture, but you know, that's life. They probably wanted it both in their museum so that people could come and enjoy it. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you have any questions, please feel free to contact me, and I will see you in the next video.